In this video, we will be discussing the step-by-step process to do a weekly cleaning on your iNAP device. To begin, you will need to prepare an 8-ounce glass of lukewarm water and have a potassium sulfate tablet ready. Leaving all your iNAP components together, place just the oral interface into the glass and then drop in the potassium sulfate tablet and allow it to begin dissolving. Once it has started dissolving, you will need to set a timer for 15 minutes to allow the oral interface to disinfect. Once the 15 minutes has surpassed, leave your oral interface in the glass and turn on your iNAP device. Ensure that it is laying flat and that the top is securely fastened. You should see your green light steady and your blue light flashing. This will indicate that the device is now pumping the solution through the tube and into the saliva container. Once the saliva container is full of solution, the orange light will turn on and the blue light will dim. You can now turn your device off and allow all the components to sit for another 15 minutes to fully disinfect the tube, oral interface, and saliva container. Once this 15 minutes has passed, you will now begin to remove the solution from the device and the glass. Remove your oral interface from the glass and dump the solution in the sink. Then remove the top of your device and dump that solution in the sink as well. Replace the lid of your device, and now you will need to prepare a clean glass of lukewarm water. With the clean water in place, we will now repeat the process of pulling the solution through the tubing. Turn your device on and allow the clean water to pump through the tube into the saliva container. Once the saliva container is full and your orange light has come on, you can turn your device off. You may now remove your oral interface from the glass. Remove the tubing from the top of your device. You need now dump the glass of water as well as dump out the saliva container. Using a paper towel or a cloth, gently wipe out the saliva container to ensure that all of the water residue is gone. You may also wipe off your oral interface to ensure that it is dry. And to remove any water droplets in the tube, take the gray end of the tube and gently blow to remove extra water in the tubing. Now hang your tubing up to dry, and you have now completed your weekly cleaning.